and girls, many of you think that math is only done in the classroom. In our show, we're going to explore how math is used all around us. We'll practice doing mental math in everyday situations and learn how to solve a word problem in a very easy way. So, buddy, let's hit the road and get ready to beat the clock. Welcome, boys and girls, to Beat the Clock on the Road. Well, you know math is everywhere, not just at school. So I brought Cole with me let's just see how we can use math in the store. So come along. Cole, I need some paper for school. Let's see, this looks like it's the right size package. How much does it say it is?
$2.50.
It's $2.50. Do you have some money in your pocket? All right, let's see how much money you have. Okay, you want to count it for the boys and girls so they can see? I'll hold it and you count it. How's that?
1,
Let's do it this way. 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
10. We've got $10, don't we? Okay. So let's suppose I need 3 packages. Well, I'm not going to carry a pencil and paper with me everywhere I go. And I know my phone has a calculator, but I'm not going to always have my phone either. So it's always good to be able to do mental math in your head. We call them number talks at school. So I want you to think a minute. If I had, you hold your money, 3 packages of paper for $2.50 each, how much would that cost? So we have 3 packages, $2.50 each. Could you do that in your head? Okay, look at the boys and girls and kind of explain how you would do it.
So you would either add the 50 and the 50 and the 50 first, or count by twos, like 2, 4, 6.
All right, let me explain that. So you suggested we could count by 2, the $2. So 2, 4, 6. I love that idea. Now, where did the 50 cent come from? Well, it costs $2.50, doesn't it? So 3 50s, you said was what?
3 50s equals $1.50.
Okay, now, so what's the total cost of this paper?
$7.50.
$7.50. How cool. We didn't do that with paper or pencil at all. Well, let's move along. I think I need some glue. Let's go to the next aisle. Okay. I need some glue for Valentine's project. And it's got $2/$1. What does that mean?
1 for 2. $1 for 2 bottles of glue.
Okay, so let's suppose that this time, let's change this problem up. You have $3. You want to hold that up for the boys and girls? Okay, how many bottles of glue could you buy?
2, 4, 6.
You know what? 6? You know what? Let's do for the children, just so they could see it. We'll just do it right here on the floor. $1 buys 2 bottles, correct? 2 for 1. And another dollar will get us 2 more. And we could buy 2 more. So you were exactly right when we could buy 6 bottles of glue for $3. Now, stores do add sales tax, but just in elementary school, let's just not worry about that for now. Okay, you want to pick up the bottles of glue for me? All right, Cole, is there anything you'd like to to look at here.
Yeah.
What? You've got your $10 back. It looks like you kind of like these cars, don't you? Well, you know what, boys and girls? I've already got a problem for us. So I want you to explain how we would do it. Okay, Cole?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to hold this up. Cole, why don't you stand here in front of Miss Baber? Okay. How many times do we read a word problem?
3 times.
3 times. Mrs. Baber always says, read, and...
Read it again.
Okay. The first time you read a problem, what do you usually read it for? Just to kind of get a picture, right? Well, this is a great picture because here we are and we can see the cars right here. So let's just read it. And boys and girls, I want you to think about what Cole is reading. Okay, go ahead, Cole.
Cole has $10.
All right, we have $10.
Can he buy 3 cars that cost 3 each? Why or why not?
All right, now, you got the idea. We've got $10, and you want to hold up a $3 car? Okay, just hold it up for the boys and girls to see. If you're doing a word problem, it's really important for you to mark it next. So we've read it to get an idea. Could you take this marker, and Miss Baber will read it the second time, and could you mark anything that you think is important? Okay. Stand to the side, and I'll read it the second time. Cole has $10. You think we should circle that or mark that? Okay, we know Cole has $10. Can he buy 3 cars? Would 3 cars be important? Or should we do can he buy? Do we need all that? Now, we don't want to mark everything. So maybe just the 3 cars. Let's do that. That cost $3 each. What could you mark?
3 each.
Yes. I think a lot of boys and girls just want to underline everything or circle everything, and then they get a little confused. So why or why not? Maybe you could box that in. Okay. So you want to stand back here. Boys and girls, the third time you read it, we like to grid it, and we call it read a little, jot a little. Cole, say it with me.
Read a little, jot a little.
Read a little, jot a little. So we've already done the jotting. So I'm going to read it the third time, and Cole, you point to where we've jotted. You want to get on the other side now. Other side. Good. Cole has $10. Where did you jot that?
Right here.
Good. Under I know. This is what you know. Can he buy 3 cars that cost $3 each? What else do you know? The cars cost
3 each.
right. And we need to know what does this symbol mean?
Of cars he can buy.
What does that symbol mean?
Number of cars.
We need to know the number of cars he can buy. We know he has $10. And how did you do the work right here? You want to show the boys and girls how you would do it?
You add 3 plus 3 plus 3, and it equals 9. And you have $10, and you would only have $1 back, so yes.
Okay, so can you hold this for me? Hold it steady. So if we had $10 And we use $3 for one car, $3 for the second car, and $3 for the third car. We've got $1 back. So yes, you would have enough money. That's really, really important to see if your answer makes any sense. My favorite way to see if an answer makes sense is to draw a picture. You want to hold up one of those cars. It kind of looks like this car. Do your pictures have to be great?
No.
No. As long as you can realize what they are, that's just fine. So we have 4 cars, and we're just kind of wondering, could we buy 4? But why couldn't we buy 4? You want to describe what
Because
we would...
we didn't have enough money.
All right, what would 4 cost?
$12.
Okay, so you counted by 3s. Can you do that out loud?
3, 6, 9, 12.
Okay, so 4 is just too much. So we do have enough money for 3 cars. Great job. Next time, look for us in another location for Beat the Clock on the Road. Be sure you subscribe to our channel so you can come along with us to our next location. I hope you'll try what you've learned today so you can
Beat the clock!